Hi everyone, it's Ed Tapper back from Mr. C's Auto Mart. We're looking at a 2012 Honda Civic EX sedan that we just took in trade. Very, very nice condition. 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder engine. Very good on gas, as you would expect. About 36 miles on the highway. Very clean condition. It's taffeta white. It's got white body colored door handles, mirrors with solar glass, 10-spoke aluminum wheels. Tires, brakes, and everything are good. Oil's been changed. The CARFAX history is certified. It's in very, very good condition. Let me get over here so I can show you the trunk. Okay, there we go. Thanks for the patience. So the trunk's spacious. It's got a compact spare. It's got releases to fold down the back seats, flat. So come around here to the passenger side. It's got a rear bend seat, again fold down flat, with center armrest. Both seats are manually adjustable, but the driver's seat has a height adjustment, which you would expect. Coming around to the front of the car, again, you see the condition of the car is very nice. It's got 148,000 miles, 6-way manual driver's seat with height adjustment. Power windows, mirrors, doors, locks. It's got the Econ mode to conserve more on gas. Steering wheel controls for Bluetooth, trip, and cruise. AM, FM, CD radio. USB port with aux input. And we have this advertised for $10,996. We'd invite you to come by and take a look. This is Ed at Mr. C's Auto Mart. Visit MrC'sAutomart.com, or you can call me directly, 708-473-2014. Thanks.